Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to reset Zen browser settings. If your browser isn't working properly or you want to restore the default settings, this guide will help you step by step. So let's get started. First, open Zen Browser. Then click the menu button in the top right corner and open Settings. Inside Settings, use the search bar and type Reset. If the Reset option is available, click Reset Settings or Restore Default Settings, then confirm your choice. If you don't see a reset option, you can manually restore the browser by clearing your browsing data, disabling extensions, and changing any modified settings back to their defaults. Once the process is complete, restart Zen Browser to make sure all changes are applied. That's it. You've successfully reset your Zen Browser settings. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe to the channel, and thanks for watching.